Hi, I'm Riley, and today we'll be talking about installing the CrashPlan application on Linux. For this example, we'll be using the latest long-term support version of Ubuntu as our operating system. Let's get started. Before we begin, please review the items listed on screen. If you have questions or if anything seems amiss regarding what's shown here, please feel free to contact our support team for assistance. To get started, you first need to download the CrashPlan app installer from the CrashPlan console. Let's do that now. To download the installer, sign into the CrashPlan console with your CrashPlan username, password, and two-factor authentication information if applicable. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Downloads menu. To get there, click on Administration, Client Management, and then Downloads. From the Downloads section of the CrashPlan console, download the latest version of the CrashPlan application for your operating system by clicking the download icon on the right-hand side of the screen. By default, the downloaded installer will be placed in your Downloads folder. Now that you've downloaded the CrashPlan installer, you'll want to open the terminal. Then, use the commands on screen to navigate to the Downloads folder and extract the contents of the tarball file to your Downloads folder. Now that the tarball is extracted, it's time to run the installer. Enter the command displayed on the screen to move inside the extracted CrashPlan installation folder. Once you're here, run the install script from the terminal by entering the command displayed on the screen. Now, press enter. If prompted, use Y for yes and N for no, followed by pressing enter to answer any further questions. Once you've finished the installation process, go to the app launcher and click on the CrashPlan icon to launch the CrashPlan application. This will bring you to a sign-in window. Now, you just need to sign in to get your backup started. And that's how you install the CrashPlan application on your Linux device. For information on how to sign into the CrashPlan application, visit our support website at support.crashplan.com and search Sign In. Thanks for watching.